Online boss in the house. I'm a boss, you're a boss, we're all online bosses. That is the objective of this channel, guys, is to make you guys online bosses. Okay, guys, so you've seen I've changed the name of the channel. My brand has always been Online Boss, but I'm so fascinated into crypto, I was trying to divert, but it's not me. I'm a crypto boss, I'm a crypto millionaire, all my money actually made in crypto. But I don't just want to talk about crypto, I want to talk about online businesses and opportunities and what I'm doing. And if I pivot, like in the bear market now, yes, crypto has some great opportunities. My company's still doing very, very well in crypto right now, and it's a crypto company. But we can talk about that, but that's not just crypto related. Like, it's not to do investing in crypto, it's to do with marketing, it's to do with strategies. And these are the things I can help you guys as well. So back to the old name, Online Boss, sticking to it. That's the brand. You'll find me on Instagram, online boss _ mentor, TikTok, online boss hyphen, Twitter, online boss hyphen. Yeah, so there's my social, guys. There should be a link in the about me section as well. Follow me on all socials, guys, because I'm about to take this to the next level. I'm going to tell you guys the opportunities, the biggest opportunities on the planet right now, and nobody's talking about it. Honestly, if you even put it into YouTube, you won't hear nobody talk about it. And the biggest opportunity, guys, is NFT crypto marketing. Just call it Web3 marketing agencies. You've got Web2 marketing agencies. Everybody does it. Everybody's doing social media marketing, SMM, loads of people. Nobody's doing Web3 marketing. There's about 2 people that I know that are on YouTube doing it, but they're not even doing it to the level what I'm saying. So many different opportunities. Yes, I'm going to be that guy that's bringing out a course, but my course is going to be, I'm not even sharing my course now, I'm going to give you free value, but my course is going to be value packed, and certain things in that course and no one's not done yet. But stay tuned. But if you don't want to buy the course, it doesn't really matter. Just come to the channel, listen to the free value. And why I'm selling the course, because you have to pay to play. If you want the juice, you got to pay for the juice, because that will make you want to continue to fall through with this business model, not just get it for free and don't do it. I only want serious people in this course, in my community. You know, anyone can watch my videos in YouTube, but I'm gonna have a Discord. I'm actually gonna have an NFT for the course. We're doing things that no one's done before, and I only want the top level people in there. Anyway, digressed. So NFT, crypto marketing, as I said, Web3 marketing. There's so many sectors that you can get into. You could be a middleman that supplies developers to companies. Because imagine you want to do an NFT or a crypto project, and your company, you ain't got a clue where to go, where you're gonna go. Type in Google, type in YouTube, how to launch an NFT project. And if you do ads on YouTube, or if you doing content on YouTube ads or Google ads, or you're doing content, you're gonna be the person that they come to. You know, make yourself be the expert in this industry. I've got so many more things that I do in my business. My business turns off 6 figures a month, and that's just a small part of it. You can supply influencers. Influencer marketing is like the biggest thing for Web3. So you can supply influencers. You can supply them with, as I said, devs. You can supply them with Discord management. You literally could teach these companies how to run their Discord. That alone, guys, is value. Discord management, they'll pay thousands for that, like 100%. I launched a project with people before, and there's a team that we got. It's 5 of them. I know they're from like 3rd world countries, but the boss, the main guy, he's not. He charges $5,000 for the launch for that month. But the value is great because his team's great and they're on it, and they're on it. They're answering questions. So why wouldn't I pay from my clients are raising 6 figures, 7 figures? Why wouldn't we pay $5,000 to just have someone just take over the Discord and manage on the Discord with his troops? he pockets, probably pays 4 or 5 of those guys 300-400 quid each for the month, being living in Turkey or India or whatever. He pockets $3,000 to $4,000. That's his niche. That's his value. That's his business model. Discord managers, Twitter. You could run socials. You could be the person that runs the socials. What you got to realize, guys, with these people that have projects, they can't be bothered with social media marketing. They can't be bothered with community management. You can, because that's their job, and this can be your job. Guys, I've got even deeper things that I do as well, but we'll say that I'm not going to give everything on one video. I'll do different ideas and different videos, and then obviously the course is going to be jam-packed with everything and all the juice. But as I said, I'm not here to show the course. I'm just here to tell you guys about the biggest opportunity on the planet. You type in NFT marketing, crypto marketing, Web3 marketing right now, you probably get about 3 companies that are running ads. Type in social media marketing, type in Facebook marketer, type in Google marketer, and you'd be endless with people that are running ads to it. You know, your CPM will be freaking expensive. It's hard to get into. Everybody's doing it. This is the blue ocean. No one's doing it, and no one's talking about it. So as I say, I'll put more information on this channel. Yes, this channel is Online Boss. My job is crypto, but also I make money in my marketing agency. That's where I get my money from, because we're in a bear market. Yes, there's opportunity to be made, but that's why I call it Online Boss. I want to talk about more of the marketing side, and we'll continue to talk about that, guys. So if you like this video and you want to hear more, subscribe to this channel, guys, and like the video, and comment and tell me where you're from, who are you, and let's build the biggest, bestest community on the planet. Till next time, guys, peace out.